A few weeks back, during a winter storm, there's a pretty good wind. This tree broke. That top might be 50 feet up. So there's this much of it left. The piece that fell off is here. I've done quite a bit of work on it so far. Okay, around this one. Had a lot of brush that's come with it. So this has been, I had just gotten this Ryobi power saw, 12-inch. I have a bunch of other Ryobi tools. So I brought it out here and began chopping off pieces, actually at the other end, towards the top. We'll walk down here. All these pieces. And there's some more. And there's some more. Anyway, I guess my report, so to speak, would be that the Ryobi tools, this one in particular, have done a great job. I've got several batteries, which helps, but the first one worked for almost an hour with this power saw. I have some more to do with all the woods we have here. But anyway, thought I'd share this. Take care.